Chapter 1 Intro.
Looking to take your smart home game to the next level? Meet the ZigBee Wireless Scene Switch, your ultimate tool for effortless, seamless control of your smart devices. In today's video, we'll show you how to set it up with HomeAssistant, create custom scenes, and unlock its full potential.
Chapter 2 What is a scene switch?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart home tips and tutorials. Today we're diving into the ZigBee Wireless Scene Switch, also known as the remote switch, a game changer for managing your smart home devices. Whether you're aiming for the perfect movie night lighting or want to power down all your devices before bed, this little gadget has you covered. So what exactly is a wireless scene switch? A scene switch is a physical device, typically integrated via ZigBee or another smart home protocol, that lets you control predefined scenes or specific smart devices. A scene is essentially a preset configuration of your smart devices, like lights, thermostats, or media players, tailored to suit your vibe. Think movie night, morning routine, romantic dinner, even if it's just pizza on the couch. Why is it awesome? Versatility. Stick it to your wall with double-sided tape, or use screws if you're feeling fancy. No messy wiring, no degree in electrical engineering required. Portability. These battery-powered beauties double as wall switches and portable remotes. Carry them around like the smart home wizard you are. Ease of use. Trigger your scenes with the simple press of a button. No need to fumble for your phone or yell at your voice assistant. Most models support multiple actions, each triggering a different scene. In short, this little switch is your secret weapon for making home assistant automations even smarter.
Chapter 3 Setup.
Let's get that scene switch up and running in Home Assistant. Trust me, it's pretty straightforward. So simple, even your cat could do it. Okay, maybe not, but close. Here's how. Step 1. Pair the switch. Put your ZigBee hub into pairing mode. Using ZigBee to MQTT, click Permit Join in the web interface. Press and hold the pairing button on your ZigBee scene switch until it starts blinking. It's usually the first button, but give the manual a quick glance, just to be sure. Wait for the magic. Within seconds, your switch will pop up in your ZigBee device list under its default name. Step 2. Give it a name. Rename it. Get creative. Something like Living Room Scene Switch, or, for the adventurous, Button of Doom. Example, I'm naming mine WSSW Living RTV. WSSW for Wireless Scene Switch. Living R because it's for the living room. TV since it's handling lights and scenes for my entertainment setup. Before hitting that Rename Device button, enable Update Home Assistant Entity ID to keep everything tidy. If you'd like extra tips on naming your smart devices, check out my video, The Perfect Naming Conventions. Simplify your smart home. You can click the link in the top right corner now, or watch it later using the link in the description below. Step 3. Polish your setup. Want your new switch to feel professional? Let's organize it. Open Settings in the left-hand menu. Go to Devices and Services, and click on the Devices tab. Find your shiny new switch, and click its name. Hit the pencil icon in the top right corner to edit. Add an area. Living room, bedroom, you decide. Add labels if you want to go the extra mile. When everything looks perfect, click Update to lock it in. Boom! Your scene switch is paired, organized, and ready to flex its smart home muscles.
Chapter 4 Creating Scene.
Time to let your creativity shine. Here's how to create custom scenes in Home Assistant. Go to Settings in the left-hand menu. Navigate to Automations and Scenes. Click on the Scenes tab and hit Create Scene. Name your scene. Movie night, anyone? Add an icon to jazz it up. Assign it to an area. Living room for the win. Configure the devices and settings. Add each device in the state you want it to be. Turn off all lights in the living room, except for the cozy glow of the TV lamp. Once everything's set, click Save.
Chapter 5. Configuring switch buttons.
Ready to make your wireless scene switch actually do something? Let's configure those buttons and bring your new control device to life. Step 1. Automations, here we come. Go to Automations and click Create Automation. In the new window, select Create New Automation. Step 2. Set your trigger. Add a trigger. Choose Device from the options. Find your scene switch from the list. Pick your button action as the trigger. If your switch supports multiple actions like single press, double press, or hold, but they're missing, don't panic. Just press the button using the missing action to teach HomeAssistant what it's capable of. After testing the buttons, refresh the page. Refreshing adds all the missing actions, but also wipes your automation. So deep breath. We're starting over. Add the trigger again. Choose Device. Find your scene switch and select the button in action you want. For example, one single action. For the first button, single press. Skip the and if section. We're keeping this simple. Step 3. Add an action. Move to the Then Do section and click Add Action. Select Scene and choose Activate, or look for Scene Activate. Pick the target entity, your scene, and you're done. Step 4. Save and name it. Click Save in the bottom right corner. Add a name and an optional description. For example, Movie Night button single press. Hit Save. Step 5. Let's try an entity. Want your button to control a specific device instead of a scene? No problem. Create a new automation just like before. But this time for the trigger, select a different action. For example, one double action. For the first button's double press. For the action, choose Device and find the device you want to control. Example, I'm using the TV lamp. Select an action. If you want to use the same button to turn a device on and off, pick Toggle option. Save it just like before. Step 6. Repeat for the other buttons. Keep going for the remaining buttons and actions to make your switch a multitasking wizard. And that's it. Your ZigBee Wireless Scene Switch is officially the MVP of your smart home. Most valuable presser. It's ready to flex its button-pushing prowess and make your life ridiculously convenient.
Chapter 6. Testing.
Now that your ZigBee Scene Switch is all set up, it's time for the moment of truth. Does it actually work? Press those buttons and bask in the glory of effortless control. Here's my test. Single press on button 1. All the living room lights turned off, and the TV lamp lit up like it's ready for its close-up. Perfect. Double press on the same button. The TV lamp toggles on and off like a pro every time I double press. Nailed it. Looks like we've got ourselves a winner.
Chapter 7. Tips.
Get ready to rule your smart home like a pro. Start by creating a foolproof naming convention for all your devices. Include the type of device, location, and any extra details that might be useful. Bonus points for adding a touch of personality. Stick to it like glue for every single item. Devices, helpers, scenes, automations, you name it. Consistency is king. As I mentioned earlier in this video, if you're looking for additional advice on naming your smart devices, Be sure to watch my video, The Perfect Naming Conventions. Simplify your smart home. You can tap the link in the top right corner now, or view it later using the link in the description below. And don't stop there.
Don't stop. Beg it, don't stop.
Label everything. Scenes, buttons, and all your devices. Trust me, when you've got a dozen switches running the show, organization is your best friend. The last thing you want is to accidentally trigger a rock concert. When all you wanted was a chill, relax mode. And one more thing, make sure every device has an area assigned, because a smart home without zones is like a party without snacks. Total chaos.
Chapter 8. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow smart home enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which scene you'll create first. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, keep automating and living the smart life.